Join me as I put my top 10 travel tricks to the test and see if they really make traveling easier. Part 1. I'm excited to share with you the best travel tricks that will enhance your travel experience and save you money. From packing like a pro to navigating unfamiliar destinations, these tricks will make all the difference in your next adventure. Traveling can be a frustrating and expensive experience if you don't know the right tricks. The truth is, traveling doesn't have to break the bank or drive you crazy. With the right strategies, you can avoid common travel pitfalls and enjoy a stress-free journey. From finding the cheapest flights to scoring the best hotel deals, there are ways to make traveling more affordable and enjoyable. In this video, I'll be sharing my top 10 travel tricks that have saved me time, money, and sanity on my adventures. These tricks have been tried and tested, and I'm excited to share them with you. So, let's dive in and explore the first trick, which is all about packing like a pro. This one's a game changer, folks. By rolling your clothes instead of folding them, you can fit more into your suitcase and avoid wrinkles. And that's just the beginning. The next trick is all about finding the cheapest flights. I'll show you how to use flight comparison tools to snag the best deals and avoid peak travel seasons. And if you're a last-minute booker, don't worry, I've got a trick for that too. Trick number 3 is all about scoring the best hotel deals. From using travel apps to finding secret discounts, I'll share my top tips for getting the most bang for your buck. And if you're traveling with a group, you'll love trick number 4, and if you're traveling with a group, you'll love trick number 4, which is all. Join me as I put my top 10 travel tricks to the test and see if they really make traveling easier. Part 2. I'm excited to share with you the best travel tricks that will enhance your travel experience and save you money. These tricks will make all the difference in your next adventure. Trick number 6 is all about packing essentials, from portable chargers to travel-sized toiletries. And if you're worried about jet lag, don't worry, trick number 7 has got you covered. I'll share my top tips for beating jet lag and staying energized on your travels. Trick number 8 is all about staying safe on the road, from researching your destination to staying in touch with family and friends back home. And if you're a foodie, you'll love trick number 9, which is all about finding the best local eats. Finally, trick number 10 is all about making the most of your travel budget. From using cashback apps to earning travel rewards, I'll share my top tips for stretching your travel dollars further. But if I'm being completely honest, there's one trick that stands out from the rest. It's the one that has dramatically changed my own travel experiences, and it's all about being flexible. By being open to changes in your travel plans, you can score amazing deals and have unforgettable experiences. So, there you have it, my top 10 travel tricks to make your next adventure easier, cheaper, and more enjoyable. Remember, these tricks are tried and tested, and they can make all the difference in your next trip. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your own favorite travel tips and tricks. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe for more travel advice and adventures. See you in the next one.